know he's the boiler man, and I am your boiler man. Wepa. I'm the boiler man. Yep. That's what I am. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man.